Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sorry, I'm not feeling myself good today. I got under weather, or I got ill today because, happened in my breakdown, nerve, what, I'm still going back. Pray for me, right? I want to talk about, the topic today, right? Not dreaming life, but be president or not. Until now, I never, dreaming my life to be president. I don't like that because, this is not my motivation or my dream. I don't like to be president, like to be president, no. I do love as this guy because my job as to this guy, I do love my passion like this guy for be some 85 for foreigner, for non-Muslim and non-Muslim, but the greatest God Allah Ta'ala. But I have no idea my future if I'm going to be a president one day. First, how do I am going to do something for my country? First, I'm going to give for every single people who want to be corruption in Indonesia and death penalty. First, then I want lend money for the Chinese and then don't doing cooperation with Chinese. Then third, like people say nowadays, human resources very awesome in Indonesia. Other resources, I don't think Indonesia very totally awesome just because we will, explore anything with Indonesia. Indonesia something, population 275 million people, very large. Then Indonesia got support of Indonesia. That's because you don't have to cooperate with China or United States. You can cooperate with like Europe, it's very awesome. You don't have to worry with China. Because, after China took something, our mirror in our country, left, like, North Aceh, like, the gas, then oil there. So, always to solve that, no one can solve that. So, I don't like to be being president, but if I want to be president, I will doing the things for 10 major good future. Alright, that's my thought. Sorry, because I'm not feeling myself good today. Right, that's my thought. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.